Liquidating your Chase business credit card is actually a pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can liquidate your Chase business credit card. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to transfer all of your available funds to your any of the bank account which have 0% APR. So for that, I have this ones which is Wells Fargo Z0 APR card. You can search for any of the bank, and then you will easily be able to go to their website and will be able to see all of these credit cards which have zero APR. You just have to select either of these cards and then transfer these funds into it. If you don't have one, just create one. Now, after what you have to do is you have to go to Chase and then you have to search for close my Chase account. So you can actually talk to the customer service as well. So I'm just gonna search for my Chase account. You can actually talk to the customer service as well, or you can actually close the account, and that's how you will be able to close your account, and that's how you'll be able to liquidate your business credit card from Chase. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.